Hello everyone, to record using NVIDIA MP4, go to the output and click the gear button. Tick the NVIDIA MP4 and do the setting. Inside here, you can select whether you want to record PGM, PGM original or PVW. After that, select a directory you want to save. You can also customize your video and audio encoding setting. Once you're done, click OK. To start recording, click the record button. When it is successful, it will change to red. You can check the recording status here. This is the recording status. To stop, click again the record button. Now, let's go to the directory we saved just now, which is desktop. As you can see, the recorded file is right here in the MP4 format. And the name is in the default format, date and time. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.